Hello everyone, and welcome back to another GIS mathematics lecture video. And in this lecture video I want to go through another example of a 3x3 matrix. So what I want to do is I want to let our matrix, we'll have the matrix A be equal to -5, 0, -4, 2, 4, -1, -5, 0, -4. And I want us to address the question, what is the determinant of A? And we've done this a couple times before, so hopefully this should be a review for you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the second column because there's two zeros here, so I'm going to choose this column right here. And again, a good general strategy is going to be to look for the row or the column that has the most zeros. I'm going to choose this column because it has two zeros. So our cofactor expansion is going to look something like this. A1, 2, right? First row, second column, because we're cofactor expanding the second column, times C of 1, 2, plus the value of the second row, second column, times the cofactor expansion of the second row, second column, plus A of the third row, second column, times the cofactor of the third row, second column. So again, right, this is the cofactor expansion of this column. So 0 times -1 to the 1 plus 2 times, if we ignore this row and this column, we get 2, -1, -5, -4, plus second row, second column, so that's going to be 4, times -1 raised to the 2 plus 2 times the determinant of what we get if we ignore this row and this column, so that's going to be -5, -4, -5, -4, plus, and then the third row, second column is going to be 0 times -1 raised to the 3 plus 2 times the determinant of what's left, and that's going to be -5, -4, 2, and -1, right? Because we're ignoring the third row and the second column. Okay. So this is where it's nice to pick a row with a lot of zeros, right? We don't have to do anything with this row because we see a 0 there, so that's just 0. We see a 0 here, so that's just 0. So then all we have to deal with is this 4 times -1 raised to the 4th power is 1 times the determinant here, so that's -5 times -4 is 20 minus -5 times -4 is 20. So we're going to get, just to keep track, this is going to be 20 minus 20 or 0. So that's also going to be 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is going to give us 0. Alright, so the determinant of this matrix here is 0. So hopefully you saw how quickly the determinant can be calculated if you pick a row that has a bunch of zeros. And hopefully this made sense. I know I went through that a little bit quicker. Let me just go back and review. Right, we took the cofactor expansion of the second column in order to get the determinant of A. So this was what the sort of variable form looked like, plugging things in for the variables. we see that we had a 0 and a 0, which meant we didn't have to do anything there. And then we did the determinant of this, which turned out to be 20 minus 20, which was also 0, which meant our entire determinant was 0. So hopefully that makes sense. Again, it's a little bit quicker example. In the next video, we're going to go through a larger matrix, so you can see how we can use cofactor expansion to really get to larger matrices. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.